And the Ifta goes to Ruth Negga.
Thank you. I'm terribly nervous, so forgive me. I lost my piece of paper with the names on, so it's on my iPhone, I'm afraid. I'd like to thank Colin Teague, the director, and Catherine Lannan, who were incredibly supportive. This is actually for everybody involved, because it was probably one of the most collaborative projects I've ever worked on. We didn't have long. I think we had about 8 days. Well, I had 8 days in prep, and we shot for 13. So we all had to sort of pull together, and everyone was marvelous. I'd like to thank Leslie Sharp, Henry Lloyd Hughes, Charlie Creed Miles, Charles Thompson, Morella Shearer, Charlotte Holdridge, Paula Jack, Ben Foster, Sheila Stevenson, Eleanor Moran, and Maxine Watson.